Right now, I got the triple dipper from Chili's, and we're gonna try the mozzarella sticks. Yeah, we're gonna try the mozzarella sticks.
Ooh. What you think? Wow. Yeah, you ain't said anything.
It tastes amazing.
Yeah? Are you gonna dip it or no?
Let's dip it
In the red.
red.
Oh no, in the red sauce.
So good. Let's try it.
Okay, I'll try mine.
Oh yeah. It tastes amazing.
How is everything tasting? Good.
Thank you.
Cheers. Ain't bad. Guys, Chili's is too addicted to my responsibilities. The sliders gets a 10 out of 10. These things 9 out of 10. Mac and cheese 10 out of 10. And of course the sliders a 10 out of 10. And we can't forget about dessert. And hot.
It's warm. Can I have a bite? Brownie.